Effective change management, managing change, developing competitive products, methods, and work environment, upgrading manufacturing operations. Another presentation by Volpe, copyright Mahzad Paksat, March 30th, 2012. Change management. Why change? How have our cultures prepared us for dealing with and managing changes? Why is change considered a threat to being in control? Change is inevitable. Aristotle in Book 4 of his Physica defined time as the number of change with respect to before and after, and the space of an object as the innermost motionless boundary of which surrounds it. Plato in the Timaeus identified time with period of motion of the heavenly bodies, and space as that in which things come to be. Being alive is about changing with time. The question is not whether we need change or not. The question is how can we manage the ongoing changes? Common causes of inevitable change: non-stoppable time, increase in population, new technology, market demands, competition, people. Common reasons people resist change: fear of unknown, fear of failure, fear of loss of control. Examples of issues that complicate change management: avoiding communication of issues, poor change management planning, poor planning after change. Most of this is due to lack of knowledge. Keys to a successful change management in industries: correct use of application of technology, improving and maintaining product integrity, evolving with the world, keeping a competitive edge in the market. These all require technical knowledge. Change in industry. A traditional manufacturing operation had a system that had evolved by trial and error and depended significantly on tribal knowledge to control its operation. Such operations applied procedures and policies to ensure development of fair business practices and standard operating procedures used by people. Modern management is accepting lack of use of procedures and policies as welcoming change. Managing in an industry. Accepting change is not the same as managing change. Assessment of current situation and outlining after change expectations are prerequisites to a planning of a change. It is necessary to evaluate effects of the changes within a business unit on others. Success in industry. Identify all goals. Identify restrictions. View effects of changes throughout the product life cycle. Carefully design changes, remembering their effects on all. The ability to monitor the changes. The ability to control and fine-tune the changes as necessary requires technical know-how. Examples for a typical project breakdown. Tasks usually can be broken to initiation of projects, feasibility studies, justification, concept design, management approval, design and development, and implementation. Critical modes include objective, project scope, evaluation methods, data accuracy, goals, justification, capability, capacity, reliability, and timely success in operational outputs. The owners are usually engineers, which hand the projects to production and maintenance afterwards. The controls are usually skills, scopes, business goals, economics. Motivating effective leadership. Leadership characteristics are required for all in manufacturing. However, it is important to understand the structure of an organization and build teams that support business goals correctly. This is why it is very important to have procedures and provide fair guidance to the employees. before giving them the freedom to act independently. Following reliable procedures while implementing task projects will assure delivering reliable results, and that will enable employees to feel empowered and vice versa. Team building factors, hidden issues, emotions, motivation by training, satisfying needs, which could include operation support needs, professional needs, personal needs. Managing change. Developing competitive products needs a good understanding of what drives the market, recognition of the fact that we are living in an ever-changing world. In order to take control over our businesses, we need to plan ahead for the increase and necessary changes. Accept continuous improvement and have real-time control over change process. We also need to properly train those who contribute to making the changes happen and work with them. This requires technical know-how, technical leadership. Another presentation by Volpe. Copyright Mahzad Paksat, March 29, 2012.